What's good, YouTube fam? Jeff from Two Wheels and a Meal here. We got a different style vlog today. We're in Washington D.C, man. And we're going to Progressive's International Motorcycle Show. I came to this motorcycle show last year. Really fucking cool, man. Features all the new bikes, all the hip new gear, and all the new tech. So I'm excited to bring you guys along for the ride and check out what's new and what they got fucking popping, man. So let's roll this intro. Yurt. Look at the sound. Dude, guys, I'm on my way to this motorcycle show, man. On the side of the road, I had to stop and show you guys this fucking truck, man. It is sweet. Check it out. So it's not the only fucking car that's here, man. There's lots of other sweet bitches here. Look at this. I had to stop and show you guys these fucking cars, man. I'm into cars just as much as I'm into bikes, so see you there. There's the Walter Washington Center. This is where it's at. Nice. Let's go. I'm excited. I hope they let me bring the camera in. I'll be pissed. Let's go. It's gonna be a dope fucking vlog. Let's go. Holy shit, we just got here. It's busy, let's go.
Shake that feeling. Shake that feeling, oh yeah. Space groove, baby. Shake that feeling, oh yeah, now. Shake that feeling. Shake that feeling, oh yeah. Space groove, baby. Shake that feeling, oh yeah, now. Shake that feeling. Shake that feeling, oh yeah. Space groove, baby. Shake that feeling, oh yeah, now. Space groove, baby. Space groove, baby, oh yeah. It's a space groove, baby. Space groove, baby, oh yeah, now.
Just out here getting a little gas stop, man. A little fuel for the tanks. Video today was filmed on GoPro Hero 8. Let me know what you guys think, man. I would have taken the bike today, but as you can see, man, it was raining the whole way, so I just didn't take the bike, man. Took the truck. So anyways, let's take it back to the video. we just finished up the International Motorcycle Show. Thank you guys so much for joining me. It was really loud in there, so I had to kind of do like a montage video with music over it, just because all the clamor in there and how loud it was. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I sure as shit enjoyed the show. So make sure you smash a like for me. Until next time, peace.